The National Music Museum's new Center for Preservation and Research in Vermillion, South Dakota, is the result of a unique partnership between the NMM, the Vermillion Area Chamber and Development Company, the City of Vermillion, and the University of South Dakota. This 28,000 square foot facility not only provides a secure, climate-controlled environment for the museum's extensive collections, but also offers a dedicated, dynamic space for research and discovery, studying musical instruments reserved only by the NMM. During the expansion and renovation of the National Music Museum's home in the historic Carnegie building on the University of South Dakota campus, the center is home for the museum's collections of keyboards and large instruments, historically significant and one-of-a-kind instruments from around the world, stringed instruments spanning from 16th century Italian makers to 20th century guitar luthiers, a brass and woodwinds collection unlike any other, as well as a vast collection of related artifacts, archives, books, and documents. Each room is individually secured and appropriately climate-controlled. The center also contains a research and photography lab dedicated to the ongoing study and visual recording and sharing of the NMM's extraordinary collections. It also provides virtual and by appointment access to curators, visiting researchers, instrument builders, and others, expanding our reach worldwide.
After the National Music Museum's grand reopening in 2022, our Center for Preservation and Research will continue to distinguish itself as one of the nation's premier research facilities, dedicated to fulfilling our mission to explore, enjoy, and preserve the world of musical instruments.